Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get sturdy step by step. Start by finding a stable stance with feet shoulder-width apart and knees soft. Focus on posture, breathe steadily, and tighten the core gently. Practice shifting weight smoothly from side to side while keeping your head level. Build consistency with short daily sessions and add small progressions as you feel more confident and balanced. Warm up thoroughly and move with intention to protect joints and stay graceful. Work on ankle mobility and a controlled 6-count rhythm to lock in timing. When you add hops, aim for soft landings to preserve energy and prevent injury. Keep sessions short but focused, and record brief clips to track subtle improvements. Small, steady progress builds durability and confidence in your movement over time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers make reheating and transporting food so easy, they saved my lunches during long practice days. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and cut cleanup time dramatically. For more details and current deals, check the description, pick one that fits your routine, and now let's get back to the video. Set a simple routine that is easy to follow and repeat consistently each week. Begin with 5-minute daily drills, then add strength and balance work like squats and single leg holds. Gradually extend sessions to 15 minutes and introduce light progressions when you feel stable. Remember to schedule 2 rest days so your body can recover and adapt, keeping practice sustainable and enjoyable over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.